Updating your email address on Vrbo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name at the top of the page. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. In the Email Preferences section, you will see your current email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure there are no typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new email address is saved in the system. Make sure to check your new email for a confirmation message from Vrbo to verify the update. Keeping your email address current is important for receiving important notifications and updates.